So, our team is confirmed by Rodrigo Araiza, Manuel Escamilla, Galo Ruiz, and Emiliano Laude. We're going to talk about modeling triangles and application problems, and we're going to explain that. Thank you.
In this problem, we have three friends camping. Here is Galo's tent, Lava's tent, and Manu's tent. So they want to know the distance between their tents. We have that the distance between Galo and Manuel is of 10 meters. The angle of aperture in Manu's tent is of 30 degrees, and the angle of aperture in Galo's tent, so both tents, is of 45 degrees. We want to know the distance between Galo's tent and Lava's tent. So how do we do that? First, we have to complete to get this angle, because to obtain this distance, we need the angle to get the opposite. So we know that the total degrees of any triangle is 180 degrees. So 180 degrees minus 45 degrees minus the 30 degrees, it's 105 degrees. So now that we have this value, we have to identify if we have to do law of sines or cosines. So for example, here we have the opposite, and we are going to obtain the opposite of this, so it's a sine function, and we put the values we have down. Here, the angle of 105 degrees, the opposite is the 10 meters, so we put the 10 meters here. This is the value we want to obtain. So what we do to obtain this value is pass this here to here, multiplying, because it's dividing, it's by multiplying. So we're going to have something like this: 10 times sine of 30 degrees over sine 105 degrees equals, if we put that in the calculator, we have that 10 times sine of 30 degrees over sine of 105 give us, so we round the number and we have this value 5, which corresponds to here 5 meters. Voila! So here we're going to apply the law of cosines to a right triangle in an applied problem. Here we have the three formulas. Could be possible. We're going to use the first one because we have the angle C, side A, side B. We're missing side C. Imagine you have a farm, chicken's house, cow's house,
you want to build a fence between them. You're missing side C to know the longitude, so we use this formula. The square of A is 50 meters, 2,500. The square of B, 25, which is 25, 625 minus 2 times 50 times 25 times 0, because cosine of 90 gives us 0 here. Cosine of C, this is a right triangle, so this is 90 degrees. So we do this times this times this times this gives us 0. So the sum of this is this. The result, 3,125. The square root of 3,125 is 55.9. So rounded, 56 meters. This is the longitude.